Science Fun Fair, Mixing Things. Let's take the third experiment on page 61. Before I ask Nikhil to read it, will someone tell me what gas is?
I can. All things are in the form of solids, liquids or gases. Look, this book is a solid and water is a liquid and gas is like air. In Marathi, we say vayu. There are different kinds of gases.
That's good, Jenny. Good morning. I'm going to present an experiment. You will love to watch this.
This bottle holds vinegar. This balloon holds baking soda. Now, I will fit the balloon on the mouth of the bottle like this. Now, I will lift the balloon. Then, the soda will fall in the bottle. And then, just watch, the balloon blows up. When we mix soda and vinegar, a gas called carbon dioxide forms. The balloon blows up because of the gas. Thank you for watching my experiment.
Thank you, Nikhil. Here is another experiment. Let us watch it. Do you know what a volcano is?
Yes, teacher. It is a mountain that sometimes pushes out fire, hot liquid and smoke from the top. In Marathi, we say
Jwalamukhi.
Correct, Priya. Now, you will see the experiment again, scene by scene. Jenny, will you talk about the experiment as if you are showing it?
Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a volcano. You will need chart paper, some newspaper sheets, a plastic bottle, vinegar, and some baking soda and gum. First, you make a cone with the chart paper. Then, paint it brown and green like a mountain. Cut a small hole on the top of the cone. Stick the bottle to the table with glue. Place some crumpled balls of newspaper around the bottle. Place the cone over the bottle so the mouth of the bottle fits into the hole of the cone. Slowly pour the vinegar into the bottle. Then pour the baking soda into the bottle. Look how the lava flows out of the volcano.
Very good, Jenny. Children, I am sure you enjoyed this experiment.